Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. It's the first Glossybox of 2020 and I'm very excited. It arrived about half an hour ago and I just want to get it open. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. I'll link everything down below for you guys. They have lots of different payment options, whether you want to do it month by month, just on a rolling contract, whether you want to do like a full year and pay month by month. There's lots of different ways. I think you can get it and end up getting it really cheap if you do like a full year contract but pay month by month. I do have a discount code that I'll put on the screen and link down below for you guys. This is sent to me in PR from Glossybox, so thank you very much to them. But all opinions are my own because I'm crap at lying. So yeah, let's just get in. Well, I haven't done that very well at all, have I? How weird is the light in here today? It's like normal and then it's like I'm going into some kind of underworld there. It's just because it's very sunny in my kitchen, which is where I'm filming. So here we go. Back to the traditional Glossybox, the pink with the black lettering. We've got a few vouchers here. We've got Naked products, we've got HelloFresh and Ocado. So let's just get in. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's the Sleep and Refresh edit. That's what it says just there. Let's have a look. Look at this first and then we'll look at the little leaflet. This is the box. And let's have a look and see what it says. Firstly, I will do the February sneak peek because I always forget. And everybody always tells me off for not doing it. So the February sneak peek is I love you, je t'aime, ich liebe dich, dick. What? Next month we're embracing the universal language of love and celebrating in its forms with our glossy friends. So we'll be treating you to a glow elixir worth £35. Oh, that looks lovely. Look. I love anything glowy. I'm testing out a glowy foundation today and I love it. Let me just go shut that door because my washing machine sounds like it's about to take off. This is what happens when you are not a professional and have a setup properly and you're just filming in your shit of a kitchen. Happy New Year Glossies. 2020 is finally here and that means it's time to kickstart the new beauty routine. With 5 full-size products, our January Sleep and Refresh edit includes everything you need to create a revitalizing ritual to get up and take on the year ahead. Get ready to discover the perfect beauty tool and cosmetics for a refreshing no makeup look, as well as complexion boosting skincare that will give you an I woke up like this glow with a sneaky feeling that some of these beauty gems will become your new favorites. So let's just go in. First thing I've got is a strawberry booster and it's 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. Ooh, what do you do? This is £12. Everything's full size. Made from upcycled seeds from the juice industry, this sustainable 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil is a secret to softer and brighter complexion. Rich in antioxidants and omega-3 and 6, it's the perfect way of soothing, nourishing and hydrating skin. Massage straight onto your face or mix 2 drops in your day cream, BB cream or foundation. Ooh, I'm really scared about oils on my face, but I will give it a go. Oh, it's so pretty. I've lost the box. There we go. Really pretty packaging. Let's have a little look. So I thought it was going to be pink, not pink. Just see what. Let me see. Doesn't smell of anything whatsoever, and it is just a clear oil that is just absorbed nice and fast. I'll give that a go. It's exciting, but I am normally very scared of oils. Next up we've got Quisha, I don't know, Quisha. I don't know, I'm just going to keep saying it wrong. K-U-E-S-H-I, I'll put it on the screen. Quisha, double effect makeup remover. I feel like I've had something from this brand before. I won't use this because I've got a cleanser that I absolutely love. And this has got an oil in it, which I don't like in a cleanser. I used the micellar one with the oil on the top for a bit, but I just didn't like the film it kind of left on my face. This says, did you know mixing your makeup can cause breakouts and premature aging? Fact, I've literally been to bed with my makeup on probably 5 times, and I'm 36 years old. Even when I am drunk, I will sometimes go to sleep in my shoes, but I will always take my makeup off. Priorities. This gentle makeup removal will ensure that you continue to wake up fresh, youthful looking. Formulated to wash away waterproof, long-lasting makeup. Clear, oily phase removes makeup without leaving any greasy residue, while its blue lotion phase refreshes and cleanses your skin. Shake, apply to cotton, and then sweep over your face. Full size, this is £10.30. So that's very nice, but I'll be giving that, I'll either do another giveaway soon, or I will give this to one of my friends. That's what I normally do. I've got like a really big drawer of skincare and stuff, or face stuff that I don't use, and my friends just come around, and pretty sure that's the only reason why they're my friends. Not really. Yes! This, I don't know why this is, I don't know whether this is like an extra thing. Yeah, this is like an extra thing. It's a naked bar, and it's salted caramel. What is this? It's vegan. It's got dates, raisins, cashews, peanuts, Cornish sea salt, and a hint of flavouring, and that's it. So that's why we got a voucher for the naked stuff. So I think this is just like a little extra, like a goodie thing, because people are doing vegan January, aren't they? I am not, because I love cheese and I love steak, but I do quite a lot of vegan meals incorporated in amongst my love of cheese and steak. Anyway, next up we've got Model Co, and it's a clear brow gel. I love a brow gel. This is £14. Really pretty packaging. I love the pink, it's really nice. Embrace the refreshing no makeup look with this vegan and cruelty-free eyebrow gel. You can either use it to shape your brows and hold the hairs in place, or use it over an eyebrow pencil to set the colour. So I have got some eyebrow pencil on today, so we'll just use that to set it. Very nice. You can't really go wrong with an eyebrow gel, can you? I love them. Next up, we've got a CBD oil infused sheet mask. CBD oil, lavender and rose hip. I don't know if rose hip smells like rose, but it's got lavender in it, so I'm hoping that will go over it. This says it nourishes and soothes stressed skin. CBD oil is huge at the moment. I've got a, I use CBD oil for anxiety, and I've also got a facial mist from Revolution Beauty as well, which I'll put a card or somewhere, I'll link it down below, and which I absolutely love. This is £5.95. Even if you haven't had your full 8 hours, get like 4, if I'm lucky, broken. You'd still be glowing thanks to this biodegradable bamboo sheet mask infused with anti-inflammatory cannabidiol. I can't ever say it. CBD oil. It helps to restore calm and soothe your complexion while also evening out your skin tone and reducing the appearance of blemishes. Put it on for 20 minutes. We all know how to use them. This is cruelty-free and vegan, and it's award-winning British brand, and it's Beauty Pro. So that is awesome. I love a sheet mask. And then the last thing, I think it's some tweezers. Basic Beauty tweezers. These are £15.50. I love that everything is pink. Well, these are really pretty. Just a little pair of tweezers. It's always nice to have some tweezers because my eyebrows are a bit cray sometimes. I'll be the first to admit that. So it says, sometimes having well-groomed eyebrows is all you need to look fresh and put together. I agree with that wholeheartedly. If my eyebrows are on, I don't really care if I haven't got any other makeup on. I always feel better about myself. You can expertly shape your brows with these tweezers, boasting a classic slant tip. They allow you to easily grab and pluck small hairs. Simply pluck any rogue hairs outside your designated brow line and set them in place using the clear brow gel. So I love that. I'm really happy with that. Oh, and I keep reading about Glossy credit. I don't get Glossy credit because I get this in PR, so I don't earn Glossy credit. But I know people do say it's amazing. It says, do you want to earn more Glossy credit? If you refer a friend, fill in our product reviews, or fill in a survey or leave a product review, we'll give you up to £10 credit, and then you can spend it on Look Fantastic, which has got like Pixie, NYX, The Ordinary, Benefit and more. So if you get like an email saying fill in the surveys, fill them in, because I totally would. or you can be the glossy of the month, and you can win a beauty bundle. Oh, I didn't know they started doing it again. Diary of a Beauty Geek won 1 year, like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. Her and Michelle Lightning last went to London. Was it London? I don't know. They went somewhere. Pretty sure it was London. So if you tag hashtag Glossybox UK, and you can win. Oh, I thought I was gonna burp then. Nope. Anyway, I really like that. I'm gonna have to look to see how many sins this is. I'm just gonna have a little look on Slimming World and see how many sins it is, because I bet it's a lot. Naked. Not naked, naked. Where's salted caramel? Oh, it's only 6 sins. That's not too bad. I'm gonna try a little bit because it's only 6 sins. Oh, it smells good. These are hefty. Oh my god, that's yummy. That is so good. It's really, really sweet. Oh my goodness. Right, I'm not eating any more of it today anyway. I'll save it for tomorrow. That is yummy. But I haven't got enough sins to eat it all today, and I want to be good because I've had good weight loss this week. Anyway, I'm chuntering. Yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. If you aren't already, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel. Just bonk the little subscribe button wherever it is. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.